Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during his first days of speaking to his people, the Arabs, about God's oneness, after he had been persecuted for a long time, he gathered the Arabs at a particular place wherein he stood on top of a mountain, and he said to them, "O Arabs, O my people," because these were indeed his people. This was the beginning of his revelation to his own people. And he says to them, "If I told you now that behind the mountain upon which I am standing is an army that is ready to attack you, would you believe me?" He poses to them this question. And they say, "Of course, who would believe you? For we know you not to have ever told a lie in your life." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is known very famously amongst his people as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. So there was no doubt in their minds of the fact that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was not able to tell a lie. And so after they agree with him and say, "No, Muhammad, we do not believe that you would be telling a lie to us," he then says to them, "Then I am telling you, say La ilaha illallah tuflihu. Say that there is no God but the one God, Allah, and this will grant you success." And it is with this that they rejected his message. They were not prepared to let go of their idols that they had believed in for such a long time, for so many centuries, and give up so many idols for the belief in one God. This did not make sense to them. And so the idea and the concept of one God, we know that we get it from Prophet Abraham.